What's going on, guys? It's myself, Ruff Fusion, and we're back with another unboxing video. So I've not even done an unboxing of a phone for a long time. Probably not even a few months, I should say, but some of you have been asking for it, you know, and that's how you lot have found my channel. And it turns out that I was doing Let's Plays and live streams and stuff like that. So it's a Nokia 2.4, and I have not bought a Nokia phone in a very, very long time, to be honest. Not even more than a few years, I should say. But anyways, we'll go on to the specs right away and see what the specifications are. But as you can see, it's like a purplish colour. So I wasn't even bothered about the colour anyway, because I just wanted this as a backup phone, the one that I never ever take out. So it's just to put a pay-as-you-go SIM card in there, because I use that for two-factor authentication that requires a phone number. So the phone I'm recording off, I never ever tie that with any of my accounts online, to be fair. So I'd rather keep it on a separate pay-as-you-go SIM. So that is the number that I would never ever give out anyway. No chance of that, to be fair. So I bought this one for like 99 UK pounds, and it's actually one of the cheapest smartphones for like a mid-high range. And the battery capacity is absolutely impressive on this. So we're going to go on to the specs on the back. But as you can see, it runs on Android. So let me just bring this closer. So cutting edge software for longer. Android 11 ready. Large immersive display. 6.5 inch HD 20:9. Capture details in low light. 5 megapixel front camera. Night mode. 2-day battery life. So I actually did say it's very, very impressive. 4500 milliamps is quite a lot. Fingerprint sensor, which I'm not going to bother with. The Google Assistant button. 2 years of Android upgrades, which is absolutely brilliant. So let's get right into this. But what I like about the packaging, it's quite impressive, of course. So let's take this Argos order code off. So this is one of the reasons why I've got it anyway, so sorry about that if this is actually falling off the side, by the way, guys. But yeah, I'm actually recording off Huawei P30 Lite, but I just have to say I'm quite happy with the camera quality coming off this phone I'm using. But I'm actually due to upgrading this phone when my contract finishes. So this one I've only bought up as a backup phone, or just a phone I will never ever take out. Right, so as you can see, we've got the phone itself. Oh, let's take it out. But looking at this, is quite heavy. It's not even that heavy, to be honest, for a large battery. I thought it was purple, but it's actually a bluish colour. But I thought it would have been a purple colour on the inside. But the colour has been a little bit misleading, to be fair. But it doesn't matter. The phone itself. And we got the SIM card, SD card key to release in a tray. We got the user manuals, the product and safety info. I believe this is just a USB lead and a charger itself. So that one's out. And I've got a feeling this will turn on straight away because it's SIM free. Not surprised this hasn't got a screen protector on it, so I'm not really bothered, because I'm not going to be taking this phone out. I'm just going to be using it around this is the one I'm going to keep around the house anyway. So this will never ever be used. Right, this one will turn on. So basically it's just like Android 1. But I do apologise for the bright screen on this. Okay. Mind you, I actually like the clarity on it. It's really good. So we're just waiting for this one to load up. But if you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Just drop us a follow. I don't have to keep saying it, because I do actually post gaming stuff plus live streams. And I do live stream quite a lot of Nintendo stuff. And I'm very, very much big on Animal Crossing, Super Mario Maker 2, Splatoon, what more can I say, Mario Kart 8. And now I've started... You know what? I actually like that. I actually like it. It's got a unique Nokia splash screen to it. I used to love that Nokia ringtone. So basically, welcome. So it's just giving us an introduction screen. So let's go. Connect to a mobile network. So we're going to skip through that. Right, okay. Now, I'm not gonna connect to Wi-Fi at the moment. Right, set up offline. So it's giving you a bit of a chance to set up the phone online, to be fair. And just waiting for a sec. Right, okay. It only came, oh my god, it only came out in like December 2020. It's such a really budget smartphone. Right, so I'm just going to accept and that's it. Unlock with fingerprint, I'm going to skip that. Right, no, I don't want to do the face recognition thing. No chance, not just yet. I'm going to skip that as well. No, skip. Right, I'm going to skip. Yeah, so basically I'm going to skip everything for now. Well, just for the purpose of this unboxing, I should say. Wow, okay, so I'm used to having the Google bar at the top. But as you can see, it's got a bit of a nice thing onto it. Yeah, it runs pretty smooth, to be fair. And even looking at the camera, allow camera to access a device location. Right, okay. Right, how do I go back? So we pull the tray up to access the apps. So we got a list of apps here, so it's just like Google. A little bit like the, whoa, okay. Right, yeah, so Google Play Protect is turned on. Wow, apps update already. And as you can see, it's probably got a built-in antivirus on it, because I know my Huawei phone has got it. Right, just swinging up to bring the apps up. We'll see what the memory capacity on this phone is. Right, so we've got network, internet, connected devices, battery. It's on 69%, but I'd rather wait for it to discharge completely, and then we can charge it up. Yeah, so a lot of people, and those of you who don't know about this, 12 gigabytes is used of 32 gigabytes because of the Android operating system, so it will need to swallow a bit of the storage space for the phone to work properly, which is not bad. But you can actually change the default memory to SD card, so it can actually go up to like 256 gigabytes. And I haven't even looked at this one. I just like how it says Nokia on it. We got the dual camera. I wonder how this one works. Let's just go. And just to say a huge thank you for 1,000 subscribers, by the way. I really did not even think I would come up to this. And the support from the community has been absolutely amazing. So we got the photo here. Photo mode. Right, how do we go on to, like, I wonder what the selfie mode is just like. But as you can see, I'm recording off, but looking at this, off a bed frame with my phone stand on it. It's absolutely just like not normal, to be fair. But anyway, you can actually see my beautiful face if you can, guys. But I'm just going to leave it at this. And I'll see you all in the next video, but I don't even know when I'm going to do another unboxing of a mobile phone. It's when my contract runs out on this one. So take care, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. And make sure you join the Fusion crew. Peace.